am flying my spaceship, flying my spaceship, flying through space in my spaceship, yes. I am flying my spaceship, flying my spaceship, flying through space in my spaceship, doo 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 doo. I am flying my spaceship, flying my spaceship, flying through space in my spaceship, yes. Captain's log. I've been in this ship, alone in the darkness of space, in this tomb of isolation. For so long I may have gone insane. Ho 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 ho!
It's a fact. Some people are born lucky. How can you deny it? There are so many people that have advantage just because of what they're born into.
Yeah,
I mean, have you ever noticed how handsome I am?
Yeah.
Well, there's a lot of perks for being handsome. I get free stuff all the time. Do you get free stuff all the time?
I don't need free stuff.
I get things that you can't even imagine. Not just stuff, but like, people are more accommodating to me. If someone thinks I'm attractive, which most people do, well, they're more likely to agree with my opinion. I can be right just because I'm handsome.
Well, okay, but...
Not only that, but everywhere I go, I get greeted more friendlily than an ugly person. Certainly more better than how you get greeted.
More better ain't proper English.
Says you. I say it's proper, and I bet that I could get a bunch of English professors to agree with me. You know why?
'Cause you're handsome.
That's right, I'm handsome.
So what? You're handsome. I like to fly my ship in the nude. Kibbles and bits, man.
You're so weird. Wait, what, the fire truck? Hey, that looks like the guy we're looking for. Let me try to contact him. Excuse me, are you the guy we're looking for?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Dude, I think that was the guy.
Hey, that was the guy.
Ha ha!
Get him!
I was born naked. I'll die naked.
No! You butthole! You made me sad! Sad leads to crying. Crying is ugly. Haha, she's here now, and you're in so much trouble.
What the heck is that?
Finally, I've got you! It's been a long time since I asked you to dance, and you refused!
I can't dance.
Your refusal to boogie will cost you your life!
Oh yeah? Balls of death! should have known.
It has been a long time since I asked you to dance, and you refused.
I can't dance!
Someone thinks I'm attractive. Well, most people do. Well, they're more likely to agree with my opinion. I can be right just because I'm handsome.
Go. Okay, recording.
Blah, blah, blah. And you just hit it again. Right.
Okay, give me a second.
All right.
Kibbles and bits, man. Kibbles and bits. Kibbles and bits, man. Kibbles and bits. Kibbles and bits, man. Kibbles and bits.